G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a stunning home, 798 Riverheads Road in the popular Hervey Bay suburb of Riverheads. There's a lot to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This lovely home is enviably set on an elevated 836 square metre allotment offering panoramic sea views across the Great Sandy Straits to Ferry, Fraser Island to the east, and you also get to take in stunning sunsets looking out across the Susan River to the west. You will enjoy the lifestyle that comes of being only minutes away from the Riverheads boat ramp and ferry service to World Heritage listed Ferry or Fraser Island, where you can easily access the Great Sandy Straits, the Mary and Susan Rivers, which are a fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. You also have the convenience of being only minutes away from local convenience stores and a short drive to Hervey Bay's essential amenities, including shopping centres, hospitals, golf course, cafés, restaurants, the marina, esplanade and the beach. Generous yet classically refined, this architecturally designed and custom built home truly is a statement of style and comfort with no expense spared for capturing the views from this wonderful elevated allotment. The stunning kitchen is an entertainer's delight and features a large island preparation bench with beautiful stone bench tops, a breakfast bar, soft closed cabinetry, loads of storage and a walk-in butler style pantry. The laundry is also creatively built into that butler's pantry space as well. Quality appliances include an induction cooktop with range hood, oven and a dishwasher. The vast open plan dining and living area features stylish timber look vinyl plank flooring, statement pendant lighting and reverse cycle split system air conditioning. Stepping out onto the fabulous alfresco outdoor entertaining deck, this is where you'll take in those panoramic views across the Great Sandy Straits to Ferry, Fraser Island, while entertaining with family and friends all year round. This home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans, and 2 also include reverse cycle split system air conditioning. The main bedroom offers direct access outside to the alfresco outdoor entertaining deck and includes a ceiling fan, reverse cycle split system air conditioning, a large walk-in wardrobe and a lavish ensuite with plantation shutters, a freestanding bath with a view and rain head shower. The bathroom again includes floor-to-ceiling tiles, a shower, a vanity, a beautiful LED backlit mirror and a toilet. You've also got sensor lighting in the hall for navigating these spaces in the dark. Heading downstairs, you have 2 large utility rooms that will suit a range of applications, including extra bedrooms, crafts, games, or a home business. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as making a splash in that magnesium in-ground swimming pool with a private covered outdoor entertaining area. This is where you'll appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate while relaxing at the end of each day. The energy conscious will appreciate the large 10 kilowatt solar power system. And those who enjoy getting away on their nomadic travels will appreciate the Euthy security camera system with remote access. Vehicle accommodation includes a double garage with remote panel lift door, and there is a large concrete pad to the front for accommodating large RVs, caravans and boats. There are also remote entry gates to keep everything secure. Homes offering these features in this location are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.